Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link battle.net with PlayStation account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in battle.net, click on the create an account option. And from here, you can choose to sign in using your Google account, your Facebook, your Apple, your Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, and Steam account. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, linking your battle.net account with your PlayStation account can offer several benefits because number one, you may be able to cross progression for supported games. That means when you progress, purchases and in-game items can be shared across platforms, allowing you to access the same content and continue your gameplay seamlessly on different devices. Because some games offers exclusive in-game content or rewards when you link your account. Of course, this could include special items, skins, or bonuses that enhance your gaming experience. Now, in my case, in certain games that I have, linking my accounts can enable cross-play functionality, allowing it easier to play with friends on other platforms. And of course, this can expand your gaming community and making it easier to connect with players across different systems. Now, what I need you to do is simply go to the upper right corner on your profile icon and click on account settings. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on connections. Right? And from here, as you can see, your PlayStation is not yet connected. All right. And obviously, you also have the Xbox, Nintendo, Steam, and Twitch. All I have to do is click on the plus icon here. Right? And then there's going to be a warning that you wanted to connect to PlayStation Network. And they will send you the PlayStation Network website login to PlayStation to link your account with battle.net services and click on continue. And from here, you will be directed to a new page wherein you're required to put your credentials on the PlayStation option. And from there, just follow the on-screen instructions and I believe you're good to go. But in case you encounter any problems midway, you might want to contact the battle.net support, because from here, tell them that you are having problems linking or connecting your PlayStation account with your battle.net account. Okay, thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next video.